Hello everyone, and today I'll be reviewing two Death Star Trench Run sets. In total, there's 1,330 pieces, nowhere near 13,000, and is rated 18 and up and has set number 75392. We can also take a look at the back of the box and just get an idea of what this normal set entails and what it normally is. She shows a little bit of the playset, shows the dimensions, which is going to be really important. I kept the height the exact same, but I doubled the length, and you'll see what I mean by that in a second. This set normally was pretty small, a little bit underwhelming, but I believe I made this set a little bit better, and let's take a look at it. So here's the completed mock, and this does look very good. You can clearly see the line that I added to combine them, so it's right about here, it goes all the way up, and you just can't tell in the back nearly as much. Oops, a tie fell, but it does hold pretty well, and it does look very well. The only difference that I made is two major things. I had a different greebling, so this is the normal set, and this is the one I made, so there's different greebling on it. You can tell the difference. It does look decent enough, but on the back, I kept most of it fairly the same, and I just mirrored the top for some reason, but yeah, this is what I was able to make, and then we can go into a little bit more depth and details on this. So first we can start with Luke Skywalker's X-Wing Starfighter and just some of the little panels on like just the set. There's a few here and there, and I used some blue transparent studs right in there to hold the X-Wings up at the proper positions. And yeah, this is just before the one behind him gets destroyed. There's a cannon locked onto it. And then we can also move back a little bit and just see some of the more greebling details I made. And then we can move back more. We can see Darth Vader's TIE Fighter shooting at the ties. We can also see another two that are shooting at it, and then the lasers that are also shooting at it. There's also an extra two TIE fighters in the back. I'm not 100% sure how accurate that is, but it definitely looks better. I knew at one point there was a little bit more TIE fighters, but they didn't have many because they were confident that nothing would happen, but they were very wrong. And I kept the quote on the back, "The Force is strong with this one." And yeah, just more greebling details all around the set. Now I want to take a look at just some of the other small details and compromises I had to make. So here, there's two studs that I couldn't fit on with the pieces I had in either of these sets. I also had to overlap these pieces a little bit, which I think was the same, and just some other details here and there. So just this greebling is the same, and then if we take a look at the back, I had to custom build, obviously, all of this, but like the back I had to push two together, so I had to compromise in a lot of places to get this design as perfect as possible. I kept the connection the same, I didn't even flip it. I kept it exactly the same on both sides to just have more ease of access. And that back doesn't look great, but it doesn't look bad either, and it looks pretty good. And then we can look down the barrel of the set, and it does look very good, just seeing more details all around it. There wasn't many other compromises I really had to make with this. You can honestly buy as many of these as you want and put them all together, and it will look really good. What next I do is just keep buying more and keep adding on to it, and just make it a really big one. So what I do is I'd probably buy another one of these, put another width, and add two more, and put more behind it, and just have a huge trench run, and just put it like on a low shelf. But yeah, this is what I was able to do with two of the Death Star Trench Run LEGO Star Wars sets. Thank you so much for watching this mock review. I'll see you all again soon, and goodbye.